This is very quick on how you can delete in Blender. So to delete, let's first click on the cube. So hover your mouse over the cube. Now just click on it. And we can see now the cube is highlighted. Once an object is selected, it will be highlighted in Blender. Now there are two different ways to delete. The first way, on the very top left, we see object. If we click on object and go all the way down, second from the bottom, we see delete. If we click on delete, it'll delete the object. Now let's undo this, go to edit, click undo. The keyboard shortcut for this is X. So click X on your keyboard and a pop-up menu will appear. So delete, click on the delete and it'll delete it. And we can see over here to the right by the scene collections, the cube is no longer present. So let's do the keyboard shortcut for undo. Depending on what computer you have, it'll be Control Z or Command Z, depending Mac or Windows. If we go over here to the scene collection, if we right click on this, we can also delete it over here. So that is how we delete an object in Blender.